Forget boiling. It's the enemy of sweet potatoes. Today we unlock their true potential, starting with selection. Choose potatoes that are uniform in size and still a bit dirty. Freshness matters. Clean but don't peel. The skin is packed with nutrients and flavor. Soak in cool water with baking soda for 2 minutes, then scrub thoroughly. Inspect for mold or soft spots. Discard any bad ones. Trim off both ends. They're tough and unnecessary. Next, soak in salted water for 15 minutes. This prevents bloating, speeds up cooking, and enhances sweetness. Rinse and drain well. Now your sweet potatoes are perfectly prepped for greatness. This foundation is what separates average from extraordinary. No peeling, no boiling, just smart prep. The skin stays, the flavor stays. Ready for the next step? Let's cook. This is how you start a 5-star sweet potato. Onto the oven. Roasting is the gold standard for sweet potatoes. Pierce each potato with a fork. Steam needs an escape. Brush with olive oil or butter for crispy golden skin. Place directly on the oven rack or a lined tray. Roast at 200 degree, 400 degree for 20-30 minutes. Test doneness with a toothpick. It should slide in easily. The result? Crackling skin, fluffy, sweet interior. No extra toppings needed, just a pat of butter and a sprinkle of salt. This is roasted sweet potato perfected. Simple, rich, and deeply satisfying. Prefer a softer texture? Let's steam. Roasting brings out the best in every bite. Try it once and you'll never boil again. Steaming gives you sweet potatoes that are soft, moist, and pure. Start with boiling water, never cold. Place potatoes on a steaming rack above the water. Cover and steam on high for 15 minutes, then medium for another 15. This 2-stage process maximizes sweetness and texture. When the skins crack and the flesh is tender, they're done. Let cool slightly, then peel easily. The result? Smooth, intensely sweet potatoes, perfect for mashing or eating as is. No caramelized skin, just pure, clean flavor. Steaming is gentle, preserving every bit of natural sweetness. Want to take it further? Let's bake. For pure flavor, steaming is unbeatable. Try it for your next mash or dessert. Take your steamed sweet potatoes to the next level with a simple bake. Peel while hot, mash until mostly smooth. Add butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, a beaten egg, lemon juice, and a bit of flour. Mix until combined, fragrant and vibrant. Spread in a baking dish, smooth the top. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and set. The result? Warm, comforting, and deeply flavorful. Sweet, spiced, and spoonable. Perfect as a side or dessert. 3 methods. Endless possibilities. Share if you found this helpful and follow for more kitchen secrets. Sweet potatoes, mastered.